Farnsworth House, USA. Designed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe in 1951, the Farnsworth House in Plano, Illinois, is one of the most iconic examples of minimalist architecture. This glass and steel structure was commissioned as a weekend retreat for Dr. Edith Farnsworth and remains a masterpiece of modernist design. The simplicity of the house is striking. Its form consists of a raised, open-plan glass box framed by white steel supports. The absence of interior walls and cluttered decor makes the house feel expansive and light, despite its small size. Mies van der Rohe's philosophy of less is more is fully realized in the Farnsworth House. The minimal design removes any barriers between the interior and the surrounding environment, creating a sense of unity with nature. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls provide unobstructed views of the river and forest, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. The clean, geometric form of the house allows the landscape to take center stage, while the simple materials, glass, steel, and travertine, exude an elegant, understated luxury. The Farnsworth House remains a timeless example of how minimalist architecture can create spaces that are both functional and beautiful. Its design encourages a connection to the natural world, promoting a sense of calm and serenity. Even today, it stands as a beacon of minimalist ideals, showing how simplicity can lead to profound beauty.